Alright, so I know I already started unboxing the wrap. I'm finna go ahead and reveal my color because in the next video, or in this video, I'm gonna start wrapping my hood and see how that goes. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do the unboxing. We're gonna get a good look at this color, and I want y'all to let me know what y'all think in the comments. Wow. I can't wait to put this on the car. So in the last video, which is the video that just ended, if you sticking to it, you watching the videos, I was clay barring the hood, I finished it. In this video, I'm finna try and wrap the hood. Now I already sprayed it down with alcohol, got the 91%, sprayed that down. So I need a heat gun. Let me hit up my boy and see how I can get that. Alright y'all, it's gonna be a change of plans. I'm gonna go, I actually found out I can get a discount on the heat gun. So my brother work at Lowe's, so I got the hookup. So we're gonna go do that, we're gonna make that move. I'm gonna boop in there real quick, then bop out. You feel me? Alright y'all, we ended up getting a heat gun. Took longer than expected, but we back at the house. Mad cause somebody in a big, stupid truck parked in my spot, but we're gonna get into it nonetheless. Alright y'all, it's gotta be like 4 in the morning. I tried to wrap the hood last night and I tried to wrap the hood last night and you can see that went kind of catastrophic for me. So yeah, the vinyl just started doing a lot of this stuff and I kept having to lift it up. It just hasn't gone well. The top side of the hood came out okay, but this bottom side is just not working out for me. So I might play with it some more, and if that doesn't work, I'm probably gonna take this piece off and try and use it on the fender just so I don't blow a whole piece. I've been doing a lot of stuff off camera, I guess, because I don't really have a dedicated camera person, especially not this time of the morning. So I just need y'all to bear with me, I guess. Alright, so I've been working on this for about 2 hours. I didn't record anything because I was so hell bent on getting this fender done. And I think I did. I don't know how long it's gonna last though, but it's not perfect. It's definitely not perfect. It's good for a start though. As you can see, it got some mistakes right there. Mistake right there. It's like 3 mistakes, and you can see this mistake right here. You gotta use some duct tape. I guess this works. This vinyl's not really easy to work with for me, but I'm also a beginner, so that's probably why. Let me turn it. Yeah, so this vinyl is not really easy for me to work with. Probably because I'm a beginner, more than likely because I'm a beginner. I don't like it. This is a severe undertaking. We've been working a lot, trying to get the wrap done and everything. And I don't know, I say it's like, so I'm not doing the roof. What do you think, like 50, 60% wrap?
60. Yeah.
60% wrap. We get this bumper out of the way, where we like 70%.
Yeah. We got a whole side.
Well, we don't have a whole side because I did the fender on that side. So yeah, we got a little bit more. I'm gonna show y'all when we get back, but right now I'm hungry. I know I ain't been vlogging none of this stuff. It's been very hard to vlog and rap at the same time. It is not for the faint of heart. Don't do this. Listen. Don't do this. Alright y'all, this is what it's looking like so far, as you can see. First off, shout out to this person right here, cause she been helping with this all day, all yesterday. It's just been, I can't do this by myself. and she's been helping me. That's my fiance. But do not do this unless you got like a week. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this weekend. I might get in it Sunday, probably try to knock the doors out. But that's gonna be it, man. You can't. This is not a joke. I'm gonna show y'all how bad I messed up this front bumper. Like, if you can see right here. Wow. This one don't look as bad. This is not it. It's very difficult. Right now we were wrapping the little finger thing. I mean fender. I don't even know what these are called. I want to call it a lip, but it's the stock lip, so it's just like a part of the bumper. Oh, shall continue. Okay, what's up, y'all? So, this is gonna be probably kind of short. I'm gonna be talking about why I haven't uploaded any more videos concerning my route and what's going on with it. So, long story short, I ran out of route. I was making a lot of mistakes and throwing pieces away and not really keeping track of what I should be keeping track of as far as my consumption of route. So I ended up ordering some more. Luckily, they shipped it out before this whole coronavirus thing started, so I was able to get them to ship that out, and it's on its way. So I'm not waiting on them to ship it. I'm just waiting on the shipper. So I'm gonna run USPS through the water right here, throw them under the bus, because they just suck out here. I've never had a good experience with them. I was actually supposed to have my route Friday so I could finish it, the rest of it. And it's ultimately my fault because I should have been doing better route management because the stuff isn't cheap. But yeah, so I'm waiting on them to deliver my route. We're supposed to be here Friday. Today is Sunday, so I guess I'll get it tomorrow. Who knows? They're just really slow about it. I actually called them to see, when I was actually gonna get it. And I was pretty much told they didn't know what my package was, so I couldn't get too mad. I pretty much expected it from them. I just hate that, it's cost me this much time. But I mean, the car is still drivable. I'm actually going to get in it today and drive it just because I don't want the battery. I've just been sitting there. I kind of want to just drive my car, I guess. So might go put some gas in it, take it for a little ride. I'm a little crazy riding around with like half route. As you can see, it don't look too bad. It's just like not complete. It's not complete at all, but I mean, it's working. I do have footage of, I guess I didn't really get a lot of footage of me wrapping the car the first time because it was just so difficult. I was going through a lot as far as like trying to figure out what I was gonna do, how I'm gonna do it, and it was kind of frustrating because I felt like I was doing a bad job and I was wasting time and money. But patience goes into a lot of this, and I guess I kind of figured I would just pick up rap and be this master rapper, which not in this sense I'm not, but so yeah, I didn't get a lot of good footage. I'm gonna put in here what I have and we're gonna go from there. We're gonna see what I got. I'm probably gonna actually get some footage of me actually wrapping the trunk and the back bumper and the other side. I'm also gonna redo the front bumper. I showed y'all the damages that I had, well, not the damages, the bad way I wrapped it. It just didn't go well on the front bumper. So I'm gonna redo that, and we're gonna take it from there. So far, it looks okay. I guess for my first time wrapping, it's not that bad. Definitely could have gone better. I just felt like rage quitting from time to time when I was doing this wrap. So there's that. But yeah, ultimately, I mean, I think you can see the vision. Hey, I actually cut this bottom part out of the bumper down here, so it's just like a black strip. It actually looks good, and I think I'm gonna keep it like that. I actually did it because I was lazy. And it actually worked out for the best. But so yeah, hopefully I had this done by either the next couple of days or this weekend. I can get some more footage. I'm leaving the top black. I'm also leaving the mirrors and door handles black. I haven't done my side skirts. I actually got enough wrap, I believe, to do the side skirts and the trunk. So I don't know, I might edit this video and then work on that. But it might actually get done in this video. I don't know, you're gonna have to stick around and see what happened in this video. But for now, I'm probably just gonna put some gas in there, you know, just get a little ride in. It's a nice day outside. I've been quarantining a lot, and I kinda wanna just go for a ride, you know. Nowhere to really go, but I kinda just wanna get out and go for a ride. So I think that's what we're gonna do.